Garnet is thought to make people fall in love. Those who are having problems with their relationships or their sexual health are often told to wear an Almandine Garnet. It is said to bring back energy and keep chakras in balance. It also gives signals of love and warmth, which can help make relationships better. People who can give without expecting anything in return are rare, and Garnet is thought to bring out those traits in them. Some also believe that it can help with physical diseases like heart problems, speed up cell repair, and improve vision. Almandine Garnet is a natural stone that can be found deep in the earth. At first glance, it doesn't look like the beautiful stone we see in shops. It looks like a stone and has a rough surface. It will need a lot of cutting and cleaning to make it look shiny and sparkly. Even though people don't buy a lot of natural Almandine Garnet for jewelry, healers prefer it to tumbled or polished forms. They think that natural gemstones have more power because they have more focused natural energy. After being cleaned and cut into shapes, their energy is said to be less strong, so their healing power is said to decrease. Almandine Garnet inspires us with courage and optimism, teaches us to approach obstacles as opportunities for adventure, and inspires us to move with both enthusiasm and tranquility.